こんにちは、Chika Sensei です。Thank you for always watching my video. This time, I would like to introduce about myself and my lessons. As you know, I am a Japanese language teacher and I have 17 years of experience. That is more than 15,000 hours in classroom and taught more than 5,000 students. I also have a master's degree in Japanese language education. So, for me, the two most important things when studying Japanese is 1. Enjoy learning. 2. Make your dreams come true. These two things. Okay, number 1. Enjoy learning. Of course, I also studied foreign languages and have been also watched my students learn Japanese. So, even if we have amazing textbook, it is very hard to continuously learn if the lessons are boring, isn't it? So, before we start our lessons, I want to know about you first. What kind of lessons makes you excited? What do you like about Japan? And what do you know about Japan? If necessary, I can prepare a lesson just for you. You can also follow my Instagram and YouTube. I have made many free teaching materials there. 楽しいレッスンを一緒に作りましょう。And number 2. Make your dreams come true. Another question to ask before starting our lessons is, what are your plans after studying Japanese? Of course, the best thing is to plan and learn in moderation. Though, not everybody has a lot of free time. So, even if you have a small dream, it will help you to make your dreams come true. What if your dream is going to a Japanese concert and maybe talk to the Japanese fan there? Then we should practice more for those conversations, isn't it? And maybe you will also exchange contact with them. Then we can practice more writing, isn't it? It is okay to have any kind of goals. So, for example, it takes time to remember difficult vocabulary, but if you have a goal, you can actually remember a lot faster. Okay, are you ready to start some Japanese lesson to enjoy learning and make your dreams come true? Let me know if you are interested in my Japanese lesson. I'm looking forward to hear from you. 一緒に日本語の勉強を頑張りましょう。